Hi everyone and welcome back to RSB One Stop. First, I apologize for the delay of the Android 14 update video. I've been working on color schemes, new text overlays, and video frames to utilize the full size of my Pixel 7 Pro screen recordings and shots to give you a bigger and better view. I hope you like the new experience. And without any further delay, let's get into the video. Update size. The update size is about 1.09 GB and took a typical Pixel duration of about 50 minutes to complete. Initial impression. Firstly, I need to mention, there aren't that many visual changes as expected. It seems like a minor update, at least in terms of visual changes. But I should admit that Google has put good effort into making this update bug-free and responsive. After the update, my Pixel 7 Pro feels buttersmooth with smooth scrolling, apps opening and closing, and other animations. Performance is very good, with no lags or jitters anywhere, as of now. Battery performance has also been improved by about 20%, approximately, compared to Android 13. Now, let's take a look at the new features and visual changes. Wallpaper and style. Wallpaper and style has received a good, but not significant update. It still lacks the ability to choose a custom color palette, like the one in Windows, which restricts certain colors when the system feels that the text will not be visible. There should be a similar implementation instead of restricting users to stick to certain colors. Now, we also have dedicated sections for the lock and home screens to make respective customizations within the sections. The home screen doesn't have many changes, but it does have more color options to choose from. Now, coming to the new lock screen section, we have different clock styles to choose from, and there is also a clock color and size customization setting just below the preview, to further customize the clock size or the color to light or dark and size of the clock to dynamic or small, as per the preference. Apart from the clock, we now also have a shortcut option in the lock screen section itself to choose shortcuts for either side from the available 8 shortcuts. And there are other lock screen options that redirect to the settings page so you can make any necessary changes. Notification volume. Along with the new volume icon, we finally have a dedicated notification volume slider, unlike earlier, when we used to have one volume slider for both ring and notifications. Apart from the new notification volume slider, there is also a new charging animation where it highlights the battery icon with the chosen accent color. In battery usage page, we now have a filter to see battery consumption by apps or by the system, which is not as useful as the one in Android Lollipop, where we used to have more detailed information. Finally, post-Android 14 update, Gcam has received an update that brings the version up to 9.0 with a new interface and dedicated image and video sections, which makes sense as we now don't have to scroll through the entire app to take videos or photos. There is also a new 9.1 version circulating around the internet with a few more tweaks to the interface, but I haven't received the update while making this video. We'll make a video about the Gcam version 9.1 once I have my hands on it. That's all for the video, thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to the channel for more updates like this.